In this quick tutorial, we're going to look at how we can edit your images using some really simple software which comes built into the iPad. After you've taken your image and you're happy with it, what we're going to do along the top is we're just going to press Edit, which pulls up a variety of different editing options. Okay. The first we're going to look at is the crop controls, which is this kind of overlapping L shape here. Now, by dragging this in or out, it will pull up the grid lines, which will allow you to see if you've been able to capture your image using the rule of thirds. I'm going to pull mine in slightly and just adjust it so that my main focus, my cup, is part of that. When I'm happy with where it is, I'm going to move on to the next option. Next option, there are 3 overlapping shapes here, which gives you some preset color variety options that you can use. For example, vivid will make the colors much brighter, warm, vivid warm, dramatic warm, silver tone, noir. So you've got a few different options to look at. We want to make sure that we keep colour in our image, so vivid warm would be an acceptable one to use, or even dramatic warm. If you're not happy with how it looks or it makes it look too dramatised, stick it to original and we'll have a look at the next option. We have two important features we're looking at here, which is light and colour. Light, I can drag my image up, it will make the image look much brighter and try to keep the exposure, which is how bright an image is, appropriate. If I drag the image down, it will make the image much darker, and we can see our cup has gone very, very dark. However, the table is looking more interesting now because we can see the wood grain. Somewhere maybe up here so that we can see the details as part of the cup would make me happy. Next, we're just going to look at the colour. By dragging the image up, although it's difficult to tell here, the image will become what's known as more blue tone. By dragging it to the bottom, it will become more warm or more red tone. So as this isn't making too much of a difference here, I'm quite happy with where it was, somewhere set along the middle. The final option we're not going to look at today is black and white, but you could use this to alter how you want your black and white image to look. However, we're looking at colour in ours. When you're happy with it, when you've played around with these 3 options, so crop, the colour presets, and also the colour and the light adjustments, and you're happy, press done. And hey presto, using the iPad, we've edited our image to make them look much better.